Hey, it's Sarah here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about the two main reasons why people buy things. And as an aspiring entrepreneur, it is very important that you understand uh, what these two main reasons are and how you could actually use them to, of course, make more sales in your business. So the two main reasons why people buy something are it really comes down to either they are looking to experience some sort of pleasure or they're looking to get away from some sort of pain. So those are really the main two reasons why people buy things. And the reason why I really wanted to talk about this is because so many people, when they're trying to, sell a certain product in particular, they always make it about, you know, they always feel like they have to talk about, every single specific detail about that product. And the thing is like, in all honesty, it really doesn't matter because what it really should be about is, whether or not this product can help them solve a big problem in their life, or if it, helps them experience some sort of pleasure. So, if you are looking to promote, something in like the health and wellness niche, right? I mean, that's a fairly big niche. People generally are getting into, are buying a product in that niche because they're looking to get into better shape. They're looking to start eating better. They're looking to improve their physical condition. And when you are looking to promote any sort of product in that niche, you should make it all about the actual result that they can get, not so much the actual product. See, a lot of people, they talk about the product as in like, oh, this is what you'll get when you buy this product. And in a way, yes, that is definitely what you want to focus on a bit. But ultimately, your main focus with any product that you're looking to promote is ultimately the result that it will help them get. This is generally what will allow your customers to actually buy the product. It'll make them much more likely to buy whatever it is you're promoting if you make it all about the specific result. And to take this up a notch further, what I would highly suggest is that you tell some sort of story. So this is actually something that I spoke about, I think 2 days ago. There was a video I put up on my channel about, asking, what is your story? But ultimately, if you are looking to promote any sort of product, especially something like either in the health and wellness niche or something related to making more money, I highly suggest, I cannot recommend this enough, that you have a really good story to tell. The better the story, something that will allow them to really think from either your perspective or whoever the attractive character is in your story. This is what's going to allow them to really understand, what is possible for them. Because a lot of people who are, coming online, they're looking for, solutions to their problems. They may not understand fully what is possible for them. They may not fully get, if I buy this product, will it actually help me get a better result, or what is it exactly that, what does it actually take to make me more money in my business. So these are things that people are coming online searching for every single day, and it really comes down to either they're looking to experience some sort of pain, or no, they're looking to experience some sort of pleasure, or they're looking to escape pain. So, like for instance, people come online, they search up, how to make money online, right? So these people, they're likely working a job that they don't enjoy working, or they're looking to make more money, but a lot of them, they don't exactly know how to do that. They don't know exactly what it takes to make money online. Whether it's through an online business, or something like investing into crypto or something like that. They don't really know exactly what it takes to start getting those results in their life. And when you talk about what exactly the product does and the result that they can get from it, when you focus specifically on that, this is what's going to allow them to really get a much better understanding of whether or not the product will be good for them. It doesn't really matter about all the specific details about what your product includes. The ingredients of the health and wellness, um, powders or vitamins or whatever like that, because people generally aren't. You don't really care for that. They just care about whether or not they can experience that result. So I mean, that's ultimately what it comes down to. I thought I would just speak about that here. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and if you'd like to learn how you could build a profitable business online, whether it's through affiliate marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, whatever online business you're looking to get started with, there will be that free webinar linked in the description where you can get access to the free webinar, and that's going to show you how to build a profitable business online and pretty much become your own independent marketer. So you won't be depending on anything else, to get you results. Will teach you the skill sets that you need to really have long-term success, and that's ultimately what matters. So the result of this webinar is that you will be able to produce consistent results in your business, regardless of whether it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, health and wellness, whatever product you're looking to promote. This webinar is going to show you how to become a very powerful promoter. And if you're looking to build any sort of online business, this is generally what's important. Is you got to know exactly how to market. When you know how to market online, this is what's going to allow you to pretty much succeed in any niche you go into, any product you decide to promote. This is what's going to allow you to have the long-term success. It's focusing more on the skill sets, not necessarily the right system. Because a lot of people, they focus on, what's the best system to join, what's the best thing to promote right now. And if you haven't been able to produce results in anything else prior to that, then it doesn't really matter what product you have. It doesn't matter what business opportunity you're in, because ultimately it really comes down to your actual skill sets, your ability to influence someone to want to buy a specific product. So that's ultimately the message I want to put out there. Again, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Be sure to check out that webinar, and feel free to share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. Anyways, take care.